This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and performing the quickest resets. Make sure battery saver is off and charge is above 20% so services can restart. Reboot the Samsung A10, then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to clear transient radio states. Next, open Settings, go to Connections, and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Hotspot configs without deleting apps. Once done, do not connect to any networks yet. Move to the targeted hardware checks next. Now you dig deeper to remove software conflicts and stale system caches. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks radios. If wireless works there, uninstall recent apps. If not, power down, boot into recovery, and wipe the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary system files that affect connectivity. After that, check Settings, right arrow Software Update, and install any pending updates. Updates often include modem and driver fixes that restore Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and hotspot functionality. Finish by isolating and verifying each feature individually. If problems persist after cache wipe and updates, back up data and perform a factory reset. This resets firmware-level settings that might be corrupt. After the reset, set up the phone and test Wi-Fi first, then Bluetooth, then hotspot. Testing them one at a time ensures you spot the failing module. If nothing changes, the likely cause is hardware. Make sure to contact Samsung service or an authorized repair center as your final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.